Let us now take another objective question or a multiple choice question and use the calculator to find the answer. This question reads, evaluate 3 whole number 1 over 4 times 1 whole number 3 over 5 all divided by 11 whole number 1 over 3 minus 5 whole number 1 over 3. The answers are A, 14 over 15, B, 13 over 15, C, 4 over 5, and D, 11 over 15. Let us now use the calculator to get the answer for this fraction question. Since this question is a fraction question, we need to put the mode of the calculator to the comp mode. So press mode and select number 1 or comp. Now the calculator is ready for the question to be input on it. Now the question itself is a fraction with its numerator as fraction and its denominator as fractions. So we will press the fraction key first of all. Press the fraction key. Because the numerator of the fraction itself is a mixed fraction, we will press the shift and still press the fraction key to give us the mixed fraction boxes. Now the indicator blinks at the first box, which is the whole number, and 3 is the whole number. We have 1 over 4. So press the arrow key to the right to take the indicator to the numerator. Then you press 1 at the numerator. Press the arrow key to the right to bring the indicator to the denominator. So we press 4 at the denominator. So we have 3 whole number 1 over 4. Now we need the operational sign multiplication. So since the indicator is blinking at the denominator, press the arrow key to the right side so that the indicator will go to the side of the fraction, and press the operational sign, which is multiplication. So we press the multiplication key. The next fraction is a mixed fraction, which is 1 whole number 3 over 5. So we press the shift and press the fraction key to give us the mixed fraction boxes. Now 1 is the whole number, so we press 1 in the whole number box. Shift the indicator to the numerator by pressing the arrow key to the right. The indicator goes to the numerator, so we press 3. Then you bring the arrow key to the right again. Press the arrow key to the right to take the indicator to the denominator, then you press 5. We have now input all the fractions at the numerator. Let's now bring the indicator to the denominator box so that we can input the fractions at the denominator of the question. Now to bring the indicator to the down side of the fraction or to the box down there, you press the arrow key to the right. You press it 1 and press it 2. So now the indicator comes to the box at the denominator. Since the denominator fractions are also mixed fractions, we press shift with the fraction key to get the mixed fraction boxes. 11 whole number, so 11 at the first box. Press the arrow key to the right to take the indicator to the numerator box, and then you press 1. Then you press the arrow key to the right to take the indicator to the denominator and press 3. So we have 11 whole number 1 over 3. Now press the arrow key to the right to take the indicator to the right side or the side of the fraction. And the operational sign is minus, so press minus. Now the final fraction is a mixed fraction, so press the shift and the fraction key to give us a mixed fraction boxes. So we now have the mixed fraction boxes and the whole number is 5. The indicator blinks at the whole number side, so press 5. Press the arrow key to the right to take the indicator to the numerator where we have 1 as the number at the numerator. Then finally, press the arrow key to the right to bring the indicator at the denominator. That is the final one. And the final number there is 3. That is at the denominator. Now we have input the question nicely on the calculator. So let us go ahead and press the equal sign to know what the answer is. So we press the equal sign and then the answer becomes 13 over 15. Go through the options and you realize that B, the option number B is 13 over 15. So the final answer is B, which is 13 over 15. Please don't forget that 13 over 15 is a proper fraction. So we can't convert it into any mixed form unless a decimal form. But the answer is 13 over 15. So we take that as our final answer. Thank you very much.